A little background about today's video. When I started trying spicier pasta sauces, a lot of them that say spicy, I found not to be spicy at all. And I'm not a big spice head, I don't like things to be ultra hot, but I do like to feel a little zing, a little something something. And a lot of the pasta sauces really let me down until I found this one right here. And this is what started me on this journey, although it took a while because I've been consuming this for a long time and just stayed with it. But I'm wondering now if I'm still going to like it now that I've been trying all the other arrabbiata and spicy marinaras, because now I've tasted some that are so amazing. I don't know that I'm going to find this sauce so amazing. So what is this sauce? Let me bring it close up to the camera and I'll show you. This is Classico's spicy red pepper, found in the grocery stores all around here in Arizona, and of course here on Amazon. And I don't really pay much attention to the ingredients personally, but you can see we have a lot of ingredients here compared to other pasta sauces, which are simpler sauces, right? And I don't know. I just know if I like it or I don't like it. So I would usually make this with thin pasta. And my thin pasta of choice is this Barilla. It's a number 3. It's not angel hair, but it's not spaghetti. It's right in the middle. It's ready in just 6 to 7 minutes. And it's just that perfect texture that I like. So we're going to make this and try this. This was my standard staple right here. But now I'm curious, will I still like it? Will it be too sweet? Will it be spicy enough? Let's get cooking and find out. Okay, pasta sauce, looking a little watery, some chunks, but coming along nicely. And then we'll go over here to our pasta. I like to cook it as one big strand. I don't like breaking it in half, but you don't want to cook thin spaghetti too long. It'll get mushy quick. So moving right along here, we'll get this out of the water in 6 minutes. Now here's the dish all prepared and ready to eat. And here we are. This was my staple. This was my go-to. I kind of find something I like and I clamp onto it. I'm concerned I may not like this anymore now that I've opened up my mind to the possibilities of other pasta sauces that I like. Remember, there's other pasta sauces I didn't like too. But now, with all of this new information, the question is, will I still like the Classico? Spicy red pepper. I can already tell you, the Barilla number 3 thin spaghetti, oh, it's fantastic. I love it. This is really hot, so bear with me as I try and do this. Eating spaghetti on camera is a little challenging to not look like a complete slob. I'll try my best. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm so happy. I was so afraid I wasn't going to like it. Normally, I don't like the chunks of tomatoes, but I know some Italians would use a spoon for this, right? Forget it. Mm. That would be a big bite. I got to do one more bite. Really need to evaluate this. All the pasta sauce is kind of sunken to the bottom, unfortunately. Maybe I should have just made more of it. So I'm trying to stir it around and get some of them. Pasta sauce is really good. Wow. All right, well, that's good enough. So remember, if when you're doing your tasting, if you're putting a bunch of it on there or you're eating it cold out of the jar, it's just going to be different tasting depending on how strong you've made it. So here it's pretty weak, but man, I want more. Hmm. I've never done this before, but I need more of the sauce. And the spaghetti is hot, so I'm hoping maybe the heat from the spaghetti. Whoa. Will heat the sauce up enough once I mix it in there. I need more of it. Definitely did not make enough. Okay. One last bite. I usually do 3, but I even still feel like that's not really covering the pasta that much. I guess I got too accustomed to the penne and how the pasta sauce really sticks to the ridges. Get that away from me. Listen, guys. Me and this pasta sauce, we need some alone time. I'm sure you understand. So we're going to end this video here, but I want you to know this Classico spicy red pepper. It's not that spicy. It's just the right amount of spice, just the right amount of sweetness. And it pairs really well with the Barilla thin spaghetti for texture, but it doesn't stick to it very well. And I have to say, just pouring that in at room temperature here into the pasta, it's heated it up. You can't even tell. But again, my concern is it's barely covering the pasta. So I think I need to be generous with this. I am concerned that at the bottom of the bowl, I'm going to have a bunch of it. And I guess that's the concern with a soupy pasta sauce. But, oh, wow, that is... All right, guys. I'm going to need a little privacy with my pasta. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Oh, it just occurred to me I didn't rank it in where it would fall in my top 10. This pasta sauce is right up. It's got to be in the top 4. Maybe at 3. It's up. It's right up. It's above 5. Let me put it to you that way. I'm not sure it's number 1, but it's definitely above 5 out of a scale of 10. Maybe a 3.